Most foreign cities won't have a translation in Irish, and a lot of the ones that do will just be the same pronunciation as English but with Irish spelling. Moscow and Amsterdam are good examples of that. But there are a few that do change quite significantly and will be translated, which you need to know. Over in Britain, we've got about 3 main ones. We've got Larfol for Liverpool, Moncton for Manchester, and Dunedin for Edinburgh. On the continent, again, most cities will just be the same or maybe slightly different spelling, but pronounced the same. So Madrid and Kiev are good examples. But a few that change more significantly and we always use in Irish would be Porus for Paris, An Rove for Rome, An Bruxelles for Brussels, An Athens, La Haye, Athens. And across the Atlantic, there's 2 main ones you need to know, and no surprise, it's the ones where most of the Irish are. New York and Boston, they're going to be Nua Aruch and Boston. If you're talking about anywhere else, let's say California, it'll just stay the same as California. But note that often we'll still use ers and shevus on foreign words. Therefore, in California is going to be I California with a G.